Hi, my name is Lucy Barnes, and I'm a public relations emphasis with an event planning minor. My project is called Lucy's Events. I did three things for my project. First, I created event planning templates and materials that can be used by anyone to plan any size of event. Second, I created a website and a blog that showcases those event planning materials and gives tips and tricks into event planning. And third, I created a mock event using those materials. Although I wasn't able to carry out this event due to COVID-19, it is fully prepared and ready to be implemented if Idaho Foster and Adoptive Care and Fat Cats decide to proceed with this event. So let's jump into what I actually did for my project. First is the event planning checklist that I created. As you can see, it's a checklist that includes everything an event planner would need to do in order to plan an event. Next, I created an event planning packet. This packet includes staff and volunteer responsibilities, an event schedule, event setup checklist, food instructions, everything that would be needed to plan an event. I created a print and fill out version and an electronic version, and both of these are available in the store on my website. Next is my website. This is called Lucy's Events. Here I have tips, tricks, and tools for event planners to plan a perfect event. It goes in three stages: prepare, plan, and present. These buttons do link to my blog pages. I did write 6 blog posts that detail each step of event planning. Here's just an example of one of my blog posts. I also created a contact page and a shop. In this shop, you'll find those event planning materials that I created. Next, I planned a mock event. Here's the event description. I encourage you to go and read it because I'm not able to fully describe what this event is. But I partnered with Fat Cats and Idaho Foster and Adoptive Care to plan a benefit event for foster children throughout eastern Idaho in order to give them commodities and materials and also donations and funds. I used the materials that I created to plan this event. Here you can see the print and fill out version, and here you can see the electronic fill-in version. Again, all of these people have actually been contacted and are willing to go through with this event if we decide to do so. Finally, I created a media kit that includes a media alert, a news release, a pitch letter, and a participant survey that Idaho Foster and Adoptive Care can choose to use. All of the materials that I shared are linked, so I encourage you to please go through and really read what I did for my